little explorers, and welcome to our ocean adventure. Are you ready to dive deep under the sea and meet some amazing animal friends? Great! Let's get started. Our first friend is making a big splash. Look, it's a dolphin. Can you say dolphin? Dolphins are super smart and love to jump and play in the waves. See this dolphin toy? It's gray and has a friendly smile, just like the real ones. Real dolphins live in big families called pods and talk to each other with clicks and whistles. Isn't that cool? Look at it swim. Next up, who has 8 long arms? It's the octopus. Say it with me. Octopus. An octopus is so clever. It can change colors to hide from other fish and can even squeeze into tiny little spaces. This toy octopus is so soft and squishy. See all its arms? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Real octopuses use their arms to walk along the ocean floor and catch their dinner. Oh, what's this pointy star? It's a starfish. That's right, a starfish. They aren't really fish, but they look like stars from the sky that fell into the ocean. This starfish toy is bright orange, but real ones come in all sorts of beautiful colors like blue, red, and purple. They move very, very slowly using tiny little tube feet on their underside. Let's pretend our hands are starfish crawling on the sand. Wiggle your fingers. Look out! Here comes a big fish with very sharp teeth. It's a shark. Don't worry. Our toy shark is a friendly one. Sharks are amazing swimmers and have been in the ocean for a very long time, even before the dinosaurs. The biggest shark is a whale shark, and it's a gentle giant. Real sharks help keep the ocean clean and healthy by being at the top of the food chain. Let's make a fin on our back with our hand and swim like a shark. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Whoa! What is that enormous animal? It's the blue whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal on the entire planet. It's even bigger than the biggest dinosaur. Our toy whale is big, but a real blue whale is as long as 3 school buses lined up in a row. Can you imagine? Even though they are so huge, they are very gentle and eat tiny little creatures called krill. Let's make a big whale sound. Woo-woo. Now, let's meet a creature that swims sideways. Snap, snap. It's a crab. Can you walk like a crab? Put your hands and feet on the floor and scuttle from side to side. It's a fun little workout. This little red toy crab has big claws called pincers. Real crabs use their claws to pick up food and protect themselves. They also have a hard shell on the outside, like a suit of armor, to keep them safe. What's this floating gracefully through the water? It's a jellyfish. Be careful. While this toy jellyfish is soft and fun to touch, some real jellyfish can give you a little sting, so it's best to look but not touch in the ocean. Jellyfish don't have brains, bones, or hearts. They just drift along with the water currents. They look like little floating umbrellas, don't they? Let's pretend our hands are jellyfish, gently pulsing through the sea. And who is this slow and steady friend? It's a sea turtle. Sea turtles have been swimming in our oceans for millions of years. They have a big, hard shell to protect them, just like a crab. But they can't take it off. It's part of their body. Sea turtles travel very long distances to lay their eggs on the same beach where they were born. Let's swim slowly and gracefully like a wise old sea turtle. Look at this funny-looking fish. It's a seahorse. Did you know the daddy seahorse is the one who carries the babies in a special pouch on his belly? How neat is that? They swim upright and use their curly tail to hold onto seaweed so they don't float away. They are such tiny, delicate creatures. Let's bob our heads up and down like a swimming seahorse. Wow! What a fantastic underwater journey. We met so many incredible ocean animals today. We met the playful dolphin, the clever octopus, the colorful starfish, the amazing shark, the giant blue whale, the sideways walking crab, the drifting jellyfish, the ancient sea turtle, and the unique seahorse. Each one is special and important to our big blue ocean. The ocean is their home, and it's so important that we help keep it clean and safe for all our animal friends. Thank you so much for exploring with me today, my little ocean adventurers. I had so much fun. I hope you did too. If you enjoyed meeting all our sea creature friends, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and ask a grown-up to help you subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.